The AR Green Finish Repair Spray Gun Mini888 with a 1.0mm nozzle size is an impressive tool for anyone looking to achieve a flawless paint finish. Its HVLP design ensures minimal overspray and maximum control, making it perfect for detailed touch-ups and repairs. The lightweight and compact design make it easy to handle, even for extended periods. Plus, you can snag this fantastic spray gun at an incredible discount of up to 70% off by using the link in the description or comments. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this spray gun is a must-have for your toolkit.